were you originally introduced to the ASEA product?
I was really introduced through a friend who knew that my wife had some medical challenges and knew that I was having a marked decrease in energy. And she had investigated this product and checked it out with a friend of hers from NIH, found that it was safe and that there were millions of dollars of safety studies, and thought it might be something that would help both of us. So I did take a look at it. I took a look at the research that had been done and found that it was a safe product. It was non-toxic in any way, and it wouldn't interact with any medications. And talked with my wife about it, and we decided to give it a 3-month trial. My response to the product was very quick. Within 3 days, I knew that I had more energy than I had had in the last year or two. I knew that I was sleeping better, and I even noticed more clarity of mind, what I would say sharpened perceptual abilities. My wife, who has what's considered to be a progressive degenerative neurological condition, didn't really notice anything until she went to the doctor at 5.5 weeks into her taking of this product. And the doctor, after testing, looked at her and said, "What are you taking?" She didn't really know how to answer except that I'm only taking what you're taking, because she didn't consider ASEA to be anything unusual or special. He looked at her again and went through a list of substances that could potentially relieve some of her symptoms, and she responded that she wasn't taking any of those. At that point, he looked at her again and said, "What are you taking?" She thought, and then she realized that she was taking this supplement, which was a redox signaling supplement called ASEA. And she said, "Well, I'm taking this redox signaling supplement. Do you know anything about redox signaling and redox signaling molecules?" And he said he did, but I don't know what his degree of knowledge was. And at the end of the visit, he just looked at her and said, "Well, whatever you're taking, keep taking it." He didn't increase her medicine, and to this day, I'm happy to report she has not progressed, and she has not had any increases in her medicine. So this was my first introduction to redox signaling biochemistry and the effects that it has on the body. And since then, I've shared it with patients who have been open to it, other friends and family, and been very pleased with the surprise benefits in all aspects of health.